wash your hands. Hey guys, so today I am making some spaghetti and meatballs, but it's a certain recipe that I'm following. I'm just gonna grab everything that I need. We have some chopped tomatoes, I've got the Italian kind. Diced onions, because I don't like cutting up onions. Basil and parsley. I use the parsley area. We also need mince and sausages. We need 1 egg. Don't ask why it's white. The ones that I've been getting have turned out white. Garlic. This recipe uses 2 cloves, I'll probably only use 1. The recipe says use any breadcrumbs. I only have golden breadcrumbs, so yes. Spaghetti, which this is taped closed because whenever I was moving, I had to tape it to stop it from falling out. Okay, so don't forget to wash your hands off screen. But we have sausages here. And what we are gonna do is we're gonna peel the casing of it. Which is actually hard to get into. But you'll get it. And we just take it out of the casing. After we add some mince, I just have Tesco beef mince. So I'm gonna add like half of it. Grab the onions. There is no, like he just chops up a whole onion. So I'm just gonna pour in some diced onions. Parsley. You just add salt. So we are basically gonna chop up this parsley. And so we're just gonna add it in. Like so. Salt and pepper as well. I only have these ones. So we're just gonna add some salt and some pepper. Grab your egg. Crack it. No shells. And then you put in your breadcrumbs. Just put some in. Okay. Because they're not white breadcrumbs, it might turn out differently, but you know. We don't have Parmesan, but there is cheese. There is Parmesan in. So I'm going to use this cheese because it's all I have. So, yeah. Just put some cheese in. Basically, you have to get your hands in now and mix it together with your hands. I personally don't have any plates to put the balls on, so I'm using this. Okay, so let's shape them into balls. Oof. So, like that. You could also use these as like, because of the texture and everything, you could use it as meat fillings for like dumplings. So you have like a meatball filling. Next thing you do, wash your hands. So I'm actually currently having some electrical problems, but I can make do one hob currently. Basically, I have a cast iron frying pan. And we are gonna heat up this oil to number 4. Lovely meatballs, they are beautiful. So that is starting to cook, and I have put the rest in the freezer currently, so I can use them for another day. So as you can see, they are cooking. We had one little failure, which was this one that fell apart, but I was able to salvage it, and it smells so good. Okay, so that should be all sorted, so I'm gonna transfer them. I did try one. It was the broken one. It was very nice. So, yeah. Okay, so that is them. Okay, so first thing we do is we cut up 2 garlic cloves. Garlic is actually quite cheap for that big head. I got it for 40p in Tesco. So basically, I'm gonna just cut off this end here, because it's what we don't use. What I do is I put the knife on the garlic and, hold on, oh, slippery, and I press it down as much as I can on both sides. So that is now pressed. Put this into the pan. We're just going to add a couple of little onions. Okay, so I have added some parsley and basil stalks. Secret ingredient, not really secret, but basically you can add sugar to adjust the pH levels of the tomato. Only like a little bit of sugar though. But it helps the pH level so it's not like bitter. So I don't have tongs, but I have a fork. So I'm gonna use a fork to get the spaghetti out of the pot. So I garnish it with some basil leaves and some cheese, as you can see. And now, taste test. Okay, so I got some meat, bit of the sauce on it. Let's try. That is delicious. That is very, very delicious. So yeah, full credits to Daz and Will from Off the Hook, and yeah, hope to see you in another video. Bye!